Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we are gonna talk about how we can reset a Windows forgiven password and how you can secure your Windows password from getting changed. The method that we are discussing today is working on latest Windows version of Windows 11, but fortunately Microsoft is actively patching and removing this kind of bugs from Windows. With that said, let's get into the video. So, okay guys, this is the machine that we just want to change the password of. And let's see what do we have here actually. We have an account that is just set up and ready for the administrator or whatever else who wants to log in. And you can see that we just do not know the password. So, we will just click on the power button, hold down the shift key and restart. Here we just put into some troubleshoot mode that will enable us just to put some commands and do the thing. Before the last version of Windows, we were able to just make some changes for the file names and run cmd and just reset the password. But for now it's just all changed. We have to just put the commands manually, and that sort of graphical thing that was just present before is not just present now. Here we go into troubleshoot mode, advanced options and command prompt. Here we just gonna change that drive X that you can see here into drive C, that is where my Windows is just present, and CD into Windows and System32, and we're gonna just change some names and rename Magnify.exe into something that we can just remember in the future, and just rename cmd.exe into Magnify.exe. And with that done, we can just close this window and continue to the Windows. What did we do here, you might ask? We just tricked Windows to open cmd instead of Magnifier, and Windows opens that with privileged access. That means we can change the password with it. And with the Windows up and running, we will just see that there is nothing changed. So we will go for accessibility here and turn on the magnifier. Here we can just put our commands, which is net user and our username here. And a password for that, I will just put 3, 5 and 7. And with that done, I can go for that 357, and here we have the password and log in. And it's just that easy, about 3 minutes. Well guys, as you saw, we were able to run the cmd before even getting into an account. So probably prevention is not easy, if possible. And it's mostly thanks to Windows being closed source, so we can just read how it works and make necessary changes. The only method that our team have come up with to the time of publishing this video was just unplug your PC from the power whenever you're away from it. Oh no, you have a laptop? Dang it! Hey user character, don't be begging for a solution. We will reach to you whenever a prevention is possible. Thank you guys for making to the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss on our future videos. Great ones are coming. We are gonna talk about hacking and how you can be safe. And if you like this video, you can hit that like button. At last, feel free to comment out what you guys want to see in this channel and future videos. Catch you on the next one. Bye.